Amidst the rapid advancement of autonomous technology, the Royal Navy is poised to witness a new milestone. The Proteus unmanned helicopter, developed specifically for future maritime missions, has just completed successful ground trials and is now one step closer to its first flight. This aircraft is not just a technology demonstrator, but a vision for hybrid air warfare, combining manned and unmanned aircraft, ready to confront threats across the vast oceans. Proteus represents a leap forward in innovation in rotary wing unmanned aerial system, RWUAS aviation. Developed by Leonardo Helicopters in Yeovil, Somerset, the UK's helicopter hub, the aircraft emerged from a £60 million, approximately Rp 1.2 trillion program. Remarkably, the entire design and manufacturing process took less than 2.5 years, making it one of the fastest full-size autonomous helicopters in the world. Development background. The Proteus project began as part of the Royal Navy's strategy to define future requirements for unmanned aerial operations. In an era where modern conflicts demand efficiency and endurance, an aircraft like this is expected to reduce the burden on human pilots while extending the range of missions. It's a great pleasure to work with Leonardo and the entire Defense Force to deliver Proteus, said Captain David Gillette, a senior officer with the UK Ministry of Defence, MOD. It combines cutting-edge technology, experience from recent conflicts, and the enormous potential to form the Royal Navy's hybrid air wing of the future. Leonardo, a global leader in autonomous flight, is leading the project with the full support of the Royal Navy. Nigel Coleman, a Leonardo executive, emphasized, Proteus features cutting-edge onboard software that allows the aircraft to sense its environment, make decisions, and act autonomously. All processing is done onboard, even in extreme conditions such as high waves and strong winds, exactly what the Royal Navy needs. Impressive technical specifications. Physically, Proteus is about the size of a traditional helicopter and weighs around 3 tons, making it one of the first full-size autonomous VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft in its class. Its modular payload bay can carry up to 1 ton of equipment, providing great flexibility for a wide range of missions. Its advanced sensor systems, including environmental sensing capabilities and AI-based decision-making, ensure safe operations in difficult terrain. The engine, avionics system and rotor blades were thoroughly tested during a ground run at Yeovil in early December 2025. This test, observed by senior MOD officers, verified structural integrity and initial performance. Proteus is not a small drone. It is a self-contained platform with onboard processing, reducing reliance on external communications that are susceptible to interference. Capabilities and mission potential. Proteus is designed to operate in a hybrid air wing, a joint formation with a manned helicopter such as the Merlin or Wildcat. Initially, its focus will be on anti-submarine warfare, ASW operations. It can be tasked with monitoring large maritime areas using data from allied assets such as ships, helicopters, and submarines. It is capable of dropping sonobuoys, acoustic listening devices, to detect signs of enemy submarines, then reporting findings to the mission commander in real time. In addition to ASW, Proteus is multifunctional: air surveillance and control, search and rescue, logistics delivery to ground forces, weapons delivery, and intelligence gathering. With the ability to fly for longer periods without pilot fatigue, it enables broader and more sustained ocean searches. This frees up aircrews for other critical missions, explains a Royal Navy report. Although autonomous, Proteus is always supervised by a human operator who establishes safety perimeters and rules of engagement, ensuring ethics and safety. In harsh maritime environments, such as the North Sea or the Pacific, Proteus excels. Its sensors are weather-resistant, enabling flight in high waves or strong winds. challenges that often limit manned helicopters. It's not just a combat tool, it's a game changer for logistics, where a single ton of payload can support remote forces for days. Towards first flight, next steps. On December 2, 2025, Proteus was flashed up for the first time, firing up its rotors while its lights flashed like a real helicopter. This ground test was a resounding success, paving the way for initial test flights in the coming weeks, possibly before the end of the year. "We are conducting final checks before approaching first flight," the Leonardo team said in a video documentation. The next phase includes phased flight tests, from vertical takeoff to autonomous navigation. The Royal Navy plans to integrate it into fleet exercises to test synergies with other assets. If successful, Proteus could become a prototype for a larger fleet, supporting the UK's uncrewed aviation vision announced at DSEI 2025. Strategic impact and challenges. The arrival of Proteus comes at a time of heightened geopolitical tensions, with the threat of Russian submarines in the North Atlantic. This aircraft could revolutionize the UK's maritime defense, saving pilot training costs and reducing the risk to life. However, challenges include cybersecurity, how to protect AI from hacking, and international regulations for military drones. Globally, Proteus positions the UK as a leader in VTOL autonomy. Leonardo plans to export the technology, while the Royal Navy is targeting full integration by the 2030s. This is the first step towards a truly autonomous VTOL aircraft in this class, the official statement stated. Conclusion. A new era in the ocean skies. Proteus is more than just a helicopter. It is a symbol of the Royal Navy's transformation into the digital age. As its rotors spin for the first time in the air, the world will witness how AI and human engineering combine to protect the oceans. With its maiden flight fast approaching, hopes are high that Proteus will inspire the next generation of maritime drones, ensuring Britain's superiority in the unforgiving oceans.